Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Guatemala. So let's get started. So here we can see as Guatemala has the thousand number of people unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment and without any capital is through freelancing. So the best freelancing website is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where we can sell anything to the business owner and potential buyers. So what to sell? So you can sell here the your voiceover services, converting the PDF into text words and providing a user experience, okay, user testing experience, feedback, content writing, designing on Canva, add subtitle to the videos and many other things. So Fiverr is very great platform to sell your products. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.